You've probably graphed some parabolas before. They're the curves you get when you plot the solutions to a quadratic polynomial. But did you know you can graph a parabola just by folding paper? Remember that a parabola is defined as the set of all the points equidistant from a focus point and a line called the directrix. Let's take a look at an easy and fun way to see how the parabola is formed by this relation with focus and directrix. Take a square sheet of tracing paper and mark a line and a point on it at some distance from each other. Now, fold the paper so that the point touches the line and make sure the crease of the fold is well formed. Unfold the paper. Fold the paper again so that the point touches the line at a different location. Keep repeating this process as many times as you can, each time making sure a new neat crease is formed. As you increase the number of folds, you'll see that they're beginning to approximate a parabola. The greater the number of creases you make, the smoother the curve of the parabola. You can create different kinds of parabolas on separate sheets of paper by changing the positions of the line and the point. Here are some other fun ways to draw parabolas. On a piece of paper, draw any two lines, A and B, that intersect each other. Mark points on A and B so that they divide up the lines into an equal number of parts. Connect the furthest point on A to the closest point on B with a straight line. Next, connect the second furthest point on A to the second closest point on B. And so on, till all the points are connected. And once again, the lines will begin to approximate a parabola. If you mark more points, you will get a smoother parabola. You can change the shape of the parabola by changing the angle between the intersecting lines and see what happens. Using this basic technique, you can create an endless supply of parabolic patterns.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.